All right, let's get started. Toldya.com is a reboot of a site that was popular with brands that used affiliate marketing between 2008 and 2012. The premise of the site was consumer-generated advertising. I filed a patent for a process that allowed regular consumers to create ads on behalf of the brands and services they loved. What you'll see today is the modern version of Toldya.com. But the first thing you see is search YouTube for brands and influencers you follow and capture an NFT. So I'm going to type in, I don't know, Chick-fil-A, because I had one yesterday and I loved it. I'm not going to lie. And we'll give a click. And the whole premise is that a consumer would be invited by the person that made this video, this influencer, to create and capture an image that they will share on social media to drive traffic either to Chick-fil-A or to this influencer's website. So let's see how that would work. I'm going to click capture. And then we bring up this cool full page editor. It's kind of like Photoshop. And it's going to allow me to do things like crop it. All right, let's say I want to cut out his face a little bit. I'm not sure why I'm doing that, but let's do it anyway. All right, let's get it to just the image. All right, I can move this up if I want. We're going to call it the Chick-fil-A challenge. All right, and I click over here, and here's my new image. And let's say I want to add some filters to it. All right, let's make it vintage. I'm not sure why, I'm just playing around. All right, there's a little vintage. And I could do a lot of things. I could add text, right? I could add some raindrops if I want. All right, we could add some hearts. You know, we could just make it look cool, all right? When it's all said and done, I'm gonna click upload, and we're gonna send the image back to my profile at Toldya. Now, the next step is I'm gonna create kind of a review, all right? Because I'm a regular consumer and I'm being asked by this influencer or the brand Chick-fil-A to write something, all right? So I'm gonna say, I love me some Chick-fil-A. I really do. Check it out. This guy is so great and such a pig, I have to say. Okay, and notice here we're gonna choose a category. It remembers the link automatically, and I click create. Seconds, we will have a capture. All right, and here is how it looks at Toldya.com. Now at this point, I can share it to my Facebook, I could share it on Twitter, I could send an email, I can do whatever I want. Now, you probably were aware from reading our message on the homepage that an NFT can be created of this image. Okay, so our whole goal here is to kind of introduce NFTs and blockchain to social networking and advertising all at the same time. So let's see what it takes to create an NFT. I click here. I could add a signature to it, or I could create an NFT without a signature. What that means is if a user of Toldya has actually uploaded their signature, maybe they're a celebrity, maybe they're an influencer, maybe they're a brand and the signature would be a logo, that can actually be added. I'm just going to create it without the signature. All right, that's it. We've created an NFT. All right, and since I just made an NFT, I can click on my NFT tab, and there is my NFT. All right, so it is now all said and done. Now, the way that we've set up Toldya is that to actually purchase the NFT from the influencer, you have to claim it, and to claim it does cost some money. So we're going to click on claim, and it takes us over to Stripe, and we're going to charge $1 for this NFT. My credit card's in there already because I've done this before. I click on pay. And there you go. So the NFT has actually been transferred to my wallet, and it should be there in a couple of minutes. Now, to see what's actually happened, I could visit OpenSea. We will see at OpenSea that my NFT that I created is there. All right, I'm gonna go back to Toldya. I can now visit the Polygon blockchain. We use Polygon. All right, and here it is on Polygon. So yeah, we actually minted an NFT, and I am the owner of it. All right, and you can see that it's owned by me. And there you have it.